We are rigging up the brand new small fry. That's what the old one looked like. This has been discontinued because the quality control on it was just too hard to keep up with it. We had to reject so many of them because the tails just wouldn't form right. Another quick comparison between the two. Like I said, it's just too hard to get these tails to form properly. I end up rejecting about half the ones I make. These just come out a lot better. And this is a proven design, so we're gonna get this one rigged up and test it out. And these are also flat instead of perfectly round like a lot of other baits are, so it's actually easy to tell which end is up when you're hooking it up and rigging it. Okay. Here we go. Let's get this tied on. Got him. Not much for a hook set, but the rod works. And the new small fry Swimbait works. Little guy, little bitty fish. Long ear sunfish. Is that a fish? Yep. Hardest fighting one so far today. So throughout the whole day, I've only gone through 2 of them. So I think durability is alright. This is only the 3rd one I'm putting on. One of them broke off, but it was still fine. One of them wore out. So really I only went through 1 as far as like durability goes. There we go. Got another one. Small fries are working great. I just had a fish pull the line out. Hand lining it in. Not even a big one or anything, but still. Hand lining it. So the line popped off the spool. I don't know what happened there, but came off and parachuted over a bush, and I was able to run over and grab it before the fish pulled it into the water. Hand lined it in.